Hey everybody, it's Gary here. We are doing our next walkthrough video for a demonstration on the Wellness Writer Star app in the AI Wellness universe. We have taken the information that we gathered from the Simple Plot Pathways Star app and plugged our outputs into the Wellness Writer so we can continue on our journey of authoring this book that we're putting together. So you can see here it's pretty simple. Title of book, plug that in, and main topic of the book, and then our outline that we generated in the other app. So I already plugged it in, generated results. It took less than 20 seconds to spit this outline out. And now we have some good structure and content and chapters outlined for us to start writing and getting our book out there. So you can see this process really helps out. It takes saves a lot of time, basically. All this stuff would take so long to generate this outline yourself. AI can help you with that, and this just gives you ideas and structure, and then you can put your content in behind it, which is really helpful. We don't want AI to do all the work, but it's great at providing an outline, structure, chapter ideas, and topics, and there you go. Nice, simple, easy, and you're on your way to writing your first book, or one of many. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being here, and until next time, take care.